fool, but I drop fools. I'd call you out, but it's not news. The world knows it, your girl knows it. You not one of them top dudes. We watch you, we know the type. Loud mouth like a motorbike. I don't know why we let you live. Chalk it up to an oversight. A real man makes up his mind. He don't cry about it, he don't lie about it. Real man live forever. Live a coward, die coward. Comfy in your seat, slide out it. Get the best of me, I doubt it. Pay no mind to temporary dwellers. Everything shall see the light, that's what history tells us. The kind of rain that's coming rains through umbrellas, breaking down the walls you built to sign my name to they dust. Come for me in the night, I'm praying they come for me before you. Go ahead and talk the shit you gon' talk. Just make sure to do the things you gon' do. Don't let them things you have fuck up and spoil you. Remember everything they ever done, we could all do. Control is like the air, it deceives you. You only get a taste before it leaves you.